In the heart of the 19th century, a brewing tension between the Second French Empire and the North German Confederation finally erupted into a devastating conflict known as the Franco-Prussian War. The stage was set in a Europe recovering from the turbulence of the Napoleonic Wars, as France, under the rule of Napoleon III, sought to reclaim its former glory and status as a powerful European nation. On the other hand, a newly unified Germany, led by King William I of Prussia, aimed to expand its territories and assert its dominance on the continent. The spark that ignited the war was the refusal of France to support the Prussian king's candidacy for the Spanish throne. This decision, made by Napoleon III, was perceived as a threat to Prussian territorial ambitions. The crisis deepened when the French army, under the command of Marshal Bazaine, crossed the border into German territory, igniting a series of fierce battles. The Battle of Spicheren, fought on August 6, 1870, was the first major engagement, and it ended in a French victory. However, this was short-lived. The turning point came with the Battle of Sedan, where the French forces, overconfident from their initial success, were decisively defeated by the Prussian army under the leadership of General Helmuth von Moltke. Napoleon III was captured, and France was left without a leader. The aftermath of the Battle of Sedan led to the proclamation of the Third Republic in France, marking the end of Napoleon III's rule. The war continued, with the Siege of Paris lasting from September 19, 1870, to January 28, 1871. The siege ended with the signing of the Treaty of Frankfurt, which forced France to cede Alsace-Lorraine to Germany, a loss that still resonates in French memory to this day. The Franco-Prussian War, a brutal conflict, marked the end of the Second Empire in France and set the stage for the unification of Germany, solidifying its position as a major European power. In the years that followed, the echoes of this war would reverberate across Europe, shaping the continent's political landscape for generations to come. The Franco-Prussian War, a clash of empires, served as a stark reminder of the destructive power of unchecked ambition and the enduring consequences of war.